Your interior molded pillar pads are prone to drying up or even flaking over the years. When that happens, you'll want to replace them with a new reproduction from OPGI. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 to 72 GM A-body interior molded pillar pads. The pillar pads install on the inside of the interior windshield. All our pillar pads are manufactured from an injection molded polyurethane using case-hardened steel tooling. This ensures the accuracy of the part every time. All factory colors are available, so you can match it up to your interior depending on your requirements. In addition, every pillar pad molding features the original Madrid grain style finish for authenticity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.